To watch exciting reviews and unboxings of precious metals in India, click subscribe and do not forget to hit the bell icon for notifications. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I would like to begin this video by first discussing about a headline that I came across a week ago. So the headline stated supply problems of the American Silver Eagle. So if you don't know, the American Silver Eagle is the official silver bullion coin of the United States. It was released by the United States Mint on November 24th, 1986. So the first coin was released in 1986 and it is a 1 ounce silver coin with $1 face value of 99.9% pure silver. So getting back to the headline, as it stated that there was a supply problem of the American Silver Eagles. I was wondering how that happened. So I came across this graph and it showed the sales. In February 2018, there were approximately 9,42,500 coins sold. So imagine each coin being an ounce, multiply this figure by 31.10, that's a lot of silver. But then I saw that in February 2019, there were 20,57,500 coins sold. That is a spike of 118% as compared to 2018. So due to all of this, the US Mint had to suspend the sales. Yes, they had to suspend the sales because they had no more coins left. I thought this was very fascinating and I had to share this. Secondly, I know you might be staring at this box for a very long time. So now it's time for unboxing. Before unboxing, let me tell you guys that whatever's inside, I will not be reviewing it in this video. To watch the reviews, you need to subscribe to CoinBazaar's channel. Since CoinBazaar sent this box with some goodies in it, the link will be in the description. But if you want to watch the reviews on my channel, it will take some time. But if you can't wait for the reviews, go to CoinBazaar's channel. Also, make sure to comment below what you think I should be reviewing first. So let's get started. That was a lot of packing, but that was for our benefit, so our metals stay secure. Let me open this box now. So finally some of the content is now visible. So let's see. Wow, I don't understand where to begin from. There's just so many. So let's just open this up. Very fancy. Wow. Wow. I won't be showing that. So that will go in the review. So you need to subscribe to my channel and CoinBazaar's channel for that. So here is some gold. Some silver, something very interesting, so you need to subscribe to find out. Some more gold, some platinum, some more silver. I want you to comment which coin do you want me to review first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Comment the number and I will be reviewing it first. Whether you want to see the review of a gold coin, silver coin or the platinum bar, it's all up to you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching.